Welcome to day 17 of the 30-day momentum roadmap. In the last video, we talked about the power of funnels, and now we're going to talk about the power of automated emails. You're a digital salesperson, building trust and making sales while you live your life. You already have the freedom machine, which is your funnel. Now let's make it work for you around the clock. Why most people don't buy the first time and what to do about it. The truth is, most people don't buy the first time they see your offer. They need to know you, like you, and trust you first. Your automated emails create all three automatically. Know, they need to know you. Share your story. Why did you start? What were you going through before you found this? Let them see the real, unfiltered version of you. Like, they need to like you. Provide value, quick tips, encouragement, relatable moments. Make them think this person actually gets what I'm going through. And trust, they need to trust you. Share proof, share your own results, share testimonials, introduce your offer naturally, not as a pitch, but as the obvious next step. People do business with people they know, like, and trust. Your emails build all three on autopilot. What your automated emails actually do. They're your 24/7 digital salesperson. Instead of you repeating yourself over and over to every new person who finds you, the emails do it for you every single time, perfectly without you being there. They build relationships while you live your life. While you're cooking dinner, traveling, or spending time with the people you love, your emails are out there building trust with people who are this close to becoming your customers. Nobody falls through the cracks. Every person who enters your funnel gets the full experience. No one is forgotten. The consistency of your emails ensures the right person sees the right message at the right time. They guide strangers into customers. Stranger, friend, customer. That's the journey your email sequence walks every single person through. It's not a sales push, it's a relationship built automatically. Your 30 email templates already written for you. If you're doing my business, the business that I do, well, we give you 30 email templates or 15. It just depends on which program you're involved in. So you're going to have 15 to 30 email templates. But if you're not part of my program in my business, well, this can just relate to any business. Whatever emails you have or don't have, maybe you need to create some emails. Okay. But either way, this is how it works. So with us, like with my program, we give you pre-made emails, okay? So no guessing what to write, no staring at a blank screen wondering if it'll work. It's already mapped out for you. So done for you templates, pre-written emails designed to take someone from curious stranger to paying customer. That's what your emails need to do. The structure, the flow, and the sequence are already proven, okay? So the emails that we provide you inside of our program are already proven to convert. Okay. So proven subject lines. Do not change the subject lines if you're doing our program. They are written to get open. Okay. You can add emojis, but keep the core wording. That's where the converting power lives. Okay. And your job, personalize it. Edit the first three emails to sound like you, or edit all the emails. Add your story, your tone, your personality. Okay. If there's a word you never say, change it. Make it feel like you wrote it today. Right? So today's task, open your templates, edit the emails if you're inside of my program. If you're not inside of my program, just, apply this to your emails in your business. So edit emails 1, 2, and 3 and activate them in your funnel. That is it. Activate your emails. Okay. So the move that makes your emails unstoppable. Once you're comfortable, add your own videos to at least half of your email automations. Okay. Why? So number one, read one email. Open any email in your sequence. Read it out loud. Notice what it's about and what value it delivers. Now, two, create content from it. That email topic becomes your next video. Film it, deliver the value, make it personal, and post it on social media. Number three, add the link to the email. Take your social media video link, drop it inside that email. One line, watch this quick video I made on this. And number four, multiple things happen. Your emails get more personal, your videos get more views, the algorithm pushes them further. You pick up followers who weren't on your list yet. Okay. So not everyone in your email list follows you on social media yet. Your videos inside emails remind them to follow. Growing both audiences at once. So it's a win-win. You get to, grow your social media channel and you're also connecting with your audience. So The know, like, trust journey inside of your emails. Here's what your perfect customer experience is when they enter your funnel. No, your story email. The first email they receive tells them who you are, why you started, and what you went through before you found this. They see the real you, not a brand, a person. They think this person is just like me. They get it. Let's say you're doing the wealth industry like me. Okay. Your story could be, I used to trade every hour for a paycheck that barely stretched. Then I found a different way. This this is that story. Okay. Now, next, you got to build the like, value, and connection emails, quick tips, encouragement, relatable moments from your own life. Content that makes them think this person actually cares. This isn't just someone trying to sell me something. It can also be lifestyle moments, just you doing you, living your life. Maybe you hang out with your family, create content videos with your family, right? Or anything. Like if you don't have a family, whatever you do, just like let people see the real you. Okay. They think I look forward to these emails. They always give me something useful. So let's say you're doing the health industry. Okay. Health. Here's one thing I do every morning that changed my energy, even on days I don't want to. Okay. Trust. The next part, proof and natural offer. How do you build trust? Community wins. If you're part of a community or you have testimonials for your business, share those. Okay. So community wins, results, testimonials, and then the offer. Introduced naturally like a friend saying, hey, this is what helped me. You should check it out too. They think this works. I'm ready. Where do I sign up? Lifestyle. So let's say you have a lifestyle business or whatever. So here's what changed when I stopped waiting for the right time and actually started. Okay. So this is how you get paid when you're doing things you love. The emails are always working even when you're not. So people are reading your emails while you're living your life. That's the power of email marketing. Okay. That's the power of, social media marketing and creating content because your content and your emails are always working for you 24/7 behind the scenes while you're living your life. So when you hear about passive income, you hear about people making money in their sleep. This is one way to do that through email automation and through content creation. Okay. 3 hooks to record this week. You have a fully automated rejection-free business working for you. Tell people about it. So bold truth hook. Most people don't buy the first time they see your offer. That's exactly why I use automated emails. They do the follow-up for me every single time. Shows certainty and authority. Speaks to the person who's frustrated that their content isn't converting. Imagine building trust with your audience while you're cooking dinner, traveling, or putting your kids to bed. That's exactly what email automations do for me. Paints the exact picture of your perfect customer dream, your paints the exact picture your perfect customer dreams of. Time freedom plus income freedom in one image. Okay, system story hook. I don't chase people. My emails automatically guide them step by step from curious stranger to paying customer. Let me show you how. Speaks to the exhaustion of chasing leads, introduces the system as a solution without ever saying, buy this. Okay. The loop that builds your business on both sides. Your emails and your content feed each other. Once you see this, you'll never run out of ideas. Okay. Open one email template, read it, see what value it delivers. This is your content brief. Number 2, create a video from it, film the value, post it on social. Your audience gets the tip for free. 3, add the video to the email. Drop your social link inside the email. One sentence, done. 4, both sides grow together. Emails get personal, content gets views, followers grow, algorithm pushes, everyone wins. Get out of your head and into your heart. Edit 3 emails today. Activate. Your freedom machine is now fully alive. Okay, so today's actions, simple, specific, completable today. Get out of your head and into your heart. Open your 30 email templates and edit the first 3. Add your story, add your tone, change the words you never say, add your link. Do not change the subject lines. If you're doing my business, if you're doing another business, that's your emails are your emails. If you need help with that, you can drop it in the comments. If you need help with your emails or you need to understand how to like create your own funnel and how to create your own email system, then there's a link in the bio. I actually provide you a free funnel that you can use and a free system that you can use to, build your business, whatever business it is. But if you're inside of my business, the business that we do, then yeah, don't really change the subject lines, okay? Because they're proven to convert. Number 2, activate your email sequence inside your funnel. Once you've edited emails 1 to 3, turn the automations on if they're not on already. Your freedom machine is now working 24/7. Your funnel. Your freedom machine is your funnel. Okay. Number 3, record a video using one of today's 3 hooks. Pick the one that feels most natural. Make it personal to your story. End it with your short CTA post today. Number 4, pick one email and turn it into a piece of social media content. Read the email, film the value, post it, add the video link back to the email. The loop has officially started. Your emails are building trust with people right now. Every person who opted in is on their way to becoming your customer. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you on day 18. So have a great day and God bless.